back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Oluchi. It is a pleasure to have you here on my channel. I hope you join my family, join the gang. You know, how we doing over here. We're growing and we're glowing, okay? So be a part of that, please. Okay, so all my returning subscribers, welcome back. Thank you so much for clicking to watch this video. You guys already know that I have mad love for, that's a heart, half a heart. Okay, I have mad love for you guys. And yeah, so for today's video, I'm going to be trying out, like the title says, the okay, so dramatic. The Jackie Aina times and Anastasia. What was Anastasia? Wow, Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. Yes, you can take the Igbo out of, you can take the girl out of Igbo land, but you can't take the Igbo out of her. Okay. Anyway, so we're trying out this today, and you guys can already see like my eye look is popping. So I'm going to be giving you guys a little bit more tea on this palette. If you guys want to see, you know, how I got this eye look and what's up with it, you know, grab your coffee, grab your liquor, grab your water, because water is life. And please keep on watching. Quick disclaimer, I'm doing this review like halfway in between like another review. So on my face right now, I actually have the Fenty Beauty hydrating foundation. I'm actually trying this foundation out. So after this video, I'm going to leave a link up in the cards somewhere, and then also down in the description box, so you can actually go ahead and check out this like foundation review. Okay, so back to the video. So I'm going to be doing this video as like a duo. So I'm going to be trying it out for the first time, giving you guys my honest review, but I'm also going to be doing this like as the Jackie Aina palette challenge as well, to use 3 colors to create a look. I'm ready now. Let's do this. Ooh, what color is this? Dwellers. Of course I would get Dwellers. Okay, now let's keep going. So Dwellers is the first one, contender. Wigglies. I don't know, I'm not really feeling that color that much. I hope I get a matte color now. Perfect! I closed my eyes to do this and I got credit. Okay, so I got Dwellers, Wigglies, and credit. Okay, so first things first, I'm gonna go ahead and just do like a base on my eyes. So the Colourpop High No Filter Concealer is pretty much done, but don't come for me, you guys. Let me try to figure out if I can use this. Ooh, okay. I just like this because it's one of like the most pink or brightest like concealers that I have that's not too golden, and it really helps for a good eye look. I'm gonna go ahead and just put some excess powder underneath my eyes just to catch any potential fallout. I don't want to put too much here because I need to put enough. This is why I like always do my eye look first. Are you guys ready for this or not? I'm actually gonna be using this brush to apply it. It's a dual-sided brush. It has like the packing portion right here, and then this is like the blending portion. So I'm actually gonna use this for credit. Credit on my brush right here. We'll start. Ooh, credit is way darker than I. Credit is so much darker than I thought. It is almost coming out, and this is a clean brush, y'all. So this is pretty much like a very, very dark brown. I thought it would be, I mean, it's like chocolate brown, but it doesn't have any like, no, I just figured it would be a little bit more red. Yeah, I gotta be careful with this color right here. It's about to go down. Alright, well, guys, I hope this, pray for me. This look comes out well. There's some kickback in the pan. I don't know if you guys can see that. And then I'm going to try to come closer. I don't know if it'll like zoom in on my face, but can you guys see that? There's like some fallout. Minor, because you can't really see it, but it's there. Okay, I think I'm done with this color because I'm just adding more and I feel like this can easily be a disaster. It's such a dark color. So for the next portion, I'm actually going to go ahead and cut my crease to see what I can do with these other two colors. I don't think I have enough of this concealer to cut my crease, so I'm just going to go back into, so I'm going to use the Milani Conceal Perfect Conceal. This is what I use for my brows. I feel like it kind of stays put. So let's see, I hope it does at least. Let me start off with this one. I don't feel like I got like the perfect cut, and then plus it's a little dark, but we'll go ahead and blend this out first. I'm going to take that, just the leftover on my brush, and like blend out the edges of this concealer. Now I'm going to take the packing side and I'm going to go into Wiggly's. We're going to just use that on here. Ooh. Okay, you guys. This look is about to be loud. I'm gonna try to blend these two out together. So bring the Wigglies. And then I'm gonna actually take some more of like this and see what I can do with it. I feel like I want my crease to be a little bit higher. So let me see what I can do. I'm gonna take this like really dense packing brush and we're gonna go in with Woola's. Okay, that's pretty. That's actually really, really pretty. I like that. It's prettier than I anticipated. Maybe this wasn't such a bad color combo after all. This eye makeup is poppin'. Like, you cannot tell me anything right now. This eye makeup is poppin'. Julia's really got me feeling like I'm some, like dramatic lashes, like these, or like, I don't know. Like maybe these. These look like drama, but they don't look too long. I'm really leaning towards these. This I'd say is pretty much done. I just want to do something to bottom my eyes. It's popping or whatever, but I want to do something, so I just want to pop it a little bit more. I feel like I have some potential here to pop it a little bit more. So right now I want to go for this like shimmer. It almost has a mix, like a blend. I'm so tempted to just leave it like this because I don't want to mess it up, but at the same time, like, I just want to do something else. I want to do a little more. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. For my overall thoughts on this palette, you guys, I am honestly blown away with how this look came out. I was really scared when I first got like 2 like shimmer like glittery colors and only 1 matte, but I'm happy I got a matte. If I got all glitters, you guys, I probably wouldn't have filmed this video. I'm honestly so serious. But it was so fun doing the actual challenge, and I recommend any of you guys to do it. If you guys are interested in or already purchased this palette, it's really fun just to see what you can possibly create out of it. For packaging, definitely a thumbs up. I love everything about the packaging, from the external to this one to even like opening it up. It has a mirror, all of that good stuff. It's perfect. As far as price point is a little bit too steep for my liking. It's a little bit too steep because for me it's like $45 and you're only getting 14 pans. It's a little bit steep, like for the price point. However, I love like the range of colors that it has, and it was curated by Jackie Aina, so it's definitely color girl friendly, which is a huge plus. It also has a cute brush, and this brush was really like essential to like getting this makeup the way it is, because it's like a dual-sided brush, and one side has like the packing on it, which is good. It like just pushes it in there, like the eyeshadow. And the other side, although it felt a little rough, like, you know, a little coarse, but it really made like a seamless blend. So there you go. I only used 3 colors, so I can't speak for all of them, but the only one I kind of got major kickback on in the pan was the Credit. Credit had a good amount of kickback in the pan, and it had some fallout on my face, but it was barely noticeable. And then as far as Dolas and Wigglies, those had kind of like a creamier consistency. So I barely saw a lot of fallout in the pan, if any, and on my face, I don't think I saw any at all. Names are extremely cute. I can only imagine like Jackie actually like naming these and like what was like going through her head, or like how funny they were to her, like Shickenton, Wigglies, Trust Issue, Dwolas is definitely my fave. Like just the name in itself and how gorgeous it looks, it's definitely my fave right now. But yeah, so overall I'm definitely giving this a thumbs up. Aside from the price point, everything else like checked out pretty nicely. I would honestly love if this palette was like $30, or yeah, for $30 this would have completely stolen my heart. Or less, 30 or less. But I'm cheap, you know, your girl likes a little affordable stuff. You can't blame me. But yeah, aside from that, I would love to hear your comments about how you feel like this look turned out. I enjoyed making this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. And like I always say, I will see you guys in my next one, God willing. Stay beautiful, choose you, and God bless.